As an avid volunteer, you will be asked to set up 6 plots that are at least 25 feet apart. The plots should be in the same stand type of forest and preferably in an area known to have deer, though that is not a necessity if you're not sure about the location you're setting up plots. It has to be a location that you can get back to at least once a year. These are the materials you will need to set up plots and tag and mark your seedlings. The first step is to walk around the woodlands where you are going to set up your plots. We want you to be familiar with them before you set up your plots. While you're walking around, think about where you can set up your plots and what species you are seeing. Step 2 is to choose the species you will measure. We would like it to be a species from the list of species deer prefer or find palatable. You should choose one species. However, if you cannot find enough seedlings of one species to measure, you can choose 2 species from this list. You will need a total of 20 to 50 seedlings across all 6 plots. Step 3, pick your first plot location and hammer in your center stake. Before you hammer in the stake, be sure to write on it the plot number. In this case, it is plot 1. You want to make sure you are hammering in the center stake pretty far so it does not come out. You should hammer it in about 5 inches. Step 4, attach your 6-foot long string to your center stake. You will use this string and your compass to find the location to set up your flags, marking the edge of the plots. Walk in each of the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, using your compass to guide you, and place the flag at the end of your string. Step 5 is to attach your 2 12-foot strings to opposite flags to create your quadrats. When you're done, you will have a northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest quadrat. Step 6 is to tag your seedlings in your plot. You want to try to choose at least 1 seedling in each quadrat, if possible. Sometimes this is not possible, and that is okay, just do your best. Before you attach your tag to your seedling, write the plot number and the seedling number on the tag. In this case, plot 1 and seedling 1. Next, carefully attach the tag to the seedling. Do not wrap it too tight around the seedling because you want to give it room to grow. Also make sure to wrap the end of the wire behind the tag so the wire does not stick out. Step 7. Mark your seedlings using the chopsticks. This is to help you find the seedlings again the following year. Make sure you push the chopstick into the ground as far as this line, which is about halfway in. This is to try to ensure it will not fall out during the year. You need 4 to 8 seedlings per plot. Before you move to your next plot, you would measure the height of each of the seedlings you tagged and marked. For more information about how to measure the height, see the video about measuring seedlings' height. Now repeat 5 more times so you have a total of 6 plots.